Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating Shakey's Free League. First set went in favor of Ateneo. And once again, it's the same storyline doon sa second set, Anne.
But much better attacking mula dito sa Ateneo. They've managed to score 16 as opposed to only 5 of San Sebastian. At ang errors, though, no, for both squads, they were able to minimize it. And we've seen, yun nga, itong si Tan kanina, talagang sumusugal sa kanyang mga attackers and really trying to vary their plays.
That's Giselle Tan that Andy Mula is pointing at. But of course, bakit nahihiyawan, Ann? Maglalaro na. Itong si Alyssa Valdez for the Ateneo Lady Eagles. They are ahead by 2-0. At this is how deep yung roster is para dito kay Coach Ty Bundid. Kasama nga, hindi pa naglalaro. Kulang-kulang pa, wala yung kanilang top setter. Ella De Jesus is also sitting out this second game for the Lady Eagles at ipinasok pa si Alyssa Valdez.
Kaya naman naghiyawan talaga itong mga fans. Kita natin, handang-handa sila with their banners. Go Ali.
All the way from Batangas.
Yan ang ating star player ng ating crowd favorite.
A veteran of the ASEAN Games and the Asian Under-23 at yung Southeast Asian Games. Ang 22-year-old Batangueña ay patuloy na pinapasaya hindi lang ang Ateneo community kundi yung mga followers ng Philippine Volleyball. And she has been the face of Philippine Volleyball in the last few years. Of course, kasama sila Jaja Santiago and a lot of other top names katulad nila Gretzel Soltones.
It's always really nice to see yung mga ating players na nag-improve, yung improvement nila over time, where they are now, how some of them are representing our country.
Yes, and what makes me doubly happy, Anne, is the fact that not only do we have the national team already, pero yung mga players natin nakilala.
Oo.
And our
stars in their own
yes, yung ating mga kababayan have embraced these lady athletes to be a part ng landscape ng palakasan sa Pilipinas.
And this time around, it's not just all about the looks. It's really about the skills because people understand how this game is.
Which should be the case. And case in point, Alyssa Valdez from the back. Scoring, pushing. And once again, excellent read on the defense.
Ayan, mga banners. Ikaw ang, hindi ko na natapos basahin. Al-Infinity.
If there's such a thing.
Ayun, I love ka ng Al-Infinity.
Mukhang yun ang pangalan ng
kanyang fans club.
Tinan mo nga naman, At maski sa Field Sports Arena, dumadayo yung mga yan. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. It speeds up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for slow as $9.99. Ito rin yung talaan doon sa second set. And that was the best part for San Sebastian in that particular set. At right now, it's a 3-point bubble for Baste. Nasayaran yung net. Mapabuhok, mapakuko, gumalaw yung net. At yan ang tawag dito ng ating first referee. San Sebastian looking for answers. Ateneo looking for a punctuation mark to try and go 3 straight sets versus the Lady Stags. Hirap bantayan ni Jane Maraginot. Nandyan pa si Alyssa. Tignan mo yung front line para dito sa Ateneo.
At ito yung nakikita natin. Opensa nila yung malakas ngayon. It's really about consistency.
If not for their reception, yung pag-receive nila kanina sa mga serves ng San Sebastian na maraming errors, makikita mo halos flawless yung nilalaro nila. Giselle Tan for the Lady Eagles. Villegas checked. Ahumirok. Natatawagan naman dito ang Baste ng net touch. At yan ay pang-4 na puntos ng Ateneo. Giselle Tan for the Lady Eagles.
Over-receive.
You talk about height disparity. You talk about the tremendous height advantage of the Lady Eagles. And time and again, and it has shown during the course of this first 3 sets. And if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Giselle Tan erasing an early 4-point deficit. And finally, nabutasan yung double block ng Ateneo.
That was Encarnacion for that point. Itong San Sebastian, they really need to get those points mula sa kanilang opensa. For the first 2 sets, yun talaga yung naging challenge.
Kundi, mapag-iiwanan na naman sila. Villegas with a service error allows Ateneo to take the lead away from the Lady Stags. It's now 6 for the white shirts and 5 for San Sebastian. Joanna Maraginot for the Lady Eagles. Good dig by Andre Mulia.
Thank you.
Good defense.
Sumali eh.
Oo. At si Coach Maki protecting our GMA monk. Oo.
Baka matapon yung kape sa loob.
Oo, galit si Noel. Si Sir Seb. Bastet 6. Lady Eagles also with 6. San Sebastian now with 7.
One of the biggest change na nakita ko rin dito sa San Sebastian ngayon, no? Tumatawa na sila because they're up by 1 point. And nakakatulong, I guess,
Yan.
yung saya nila sa loob ng court.
Maraming nagsasabi yung cliche na have fun. Pero pag ikaw ay naglalaro sa laban,
Hirap nun.
wala akong nararamdaman.
With all the pressure.
Gusto ko manalo.
Oo, syempre.
Diba? What's fun is you're able to execute. But to think of fun when you're playing and
It's
trying to
hard.
compete, iba eh.
Iba yun.
Oo.
Mahirap yun. Lalo na kapag may pressure.
But it's easy to say when just watching or probably sometimes when you're coaching. Pero para sa players, kagat-ipin yan eh.
Ikaw kaya,
Diba?
pag-enjoy.
Labas ugat, ika nga. And Ateneo comes out firing. Ahumiro comes out smoking and scoring. First technical timeout, Ateneo with 8, San Sebastian at 7 points. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Shakey's B-League. And for B-League updates, so GMA International, check out your Twitter and your Instagram. But before that, pakinggan muna natin si Miss Trisha Robredo.
Anon Ronnie, kanina lamang nakausap ko itong si Ella Desus. Itong official diagnosis daw sa kanyang mata ay pre-septal infection at hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. Now, biglaan lang daw ito nangyari. And basically, it's bacterial with 3 to 4 days of recovery depending on how well she would respond to the antibiotics. However, so far, so good naman para sa Ateneo. And while the coaches are impressed with their kids, sabi nila ay pinahirapan at pinaghirapan ito ng mga bata sa ensayo. So, kupunan naman ng baste, pakiramdam ni Coach Clint ay kinukulang sila sa extra effort at focus. Not only are they quite problematic when it comes to defense, most especially in blocking, nadidistract din daw sila sa crowd. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kung yun lang naman ang dahilan, isipin ninyo na para sa atin ang mga hiyaw. Back to you guys.
I-re-channel mo nga naman. Paske yung palakpak, nandun sa puti.
Oo.
Isipin mo para sa'yo. Oo.
Para naman yun.
Salamat po.
Isa lang masasabi ko, ang galing
Ano?
ng memory ni Trisha. Na-memorize niya kung ano yung tawag doon sa condition ni Ella Desus. Mahaba yun ah.
Mahaba yun. Basta ang alam ko, na-irritate yung mata ni Ella.
Yun din yung nakuha ko. Oo.
I hope that Ella recovers soon para makabalik na siya sa live action. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Eliza Valdez, once again, picture perfect. Pang-poster eh.
Oo. Yung form.
Ganda panuorin. Pero more than that, ang galing maglaro. Oops!
Oh.
Can't happen.
Yep.
Communication is always essential. Pwedeng mag-usap, bawal magkahiyaan. Masakit siya kung tinamaan ka, di ba?
Tama. Oo. Tsaka ano yan, mahirap na because of injury pa daw sila
Pilay.
tumalon. Eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Si Miss Kat Tolentino nga, hindi nakapaglaro, di ba? Para
Oo.
sa
Yun naman, no? Still,
kapatid niya ni Vince Tolentino na naglalaro para sa Ateneo Blue Eagles.
warm up pa lang, no? Got that ACL injury.
Pero ito, hindi nagwa-warm up ang San Sebastian after our first technical timeout and now they're 3 points behind. Timeout for Coach Clint.
Nagsasalita ka ba? Matatanong na kayo dyan. Nakadikit na tayo eh. Puro error na naman eh. Iwasan nyo nga yung kakatouch net. Stress mo lang. Huwag mong idudulo. Masyadong malalaki. Yan. Aralin mo maigi yung blocker mo. Nakita mong dalawa na dito, pwede ka mag-grapple sa likod.
When things are not going right, when everything seems to go wrong, you always listen to the voice of your coach or your coaches. just to stabilize yung takbo ng barko. Dahil minsan sa sobrang pag-alog, may hilo ka na eh.
Oo, tsaka minsan ang hirap din nun. That's why some players get pulled out of the court para makita nila kung anong nangyayari sa loob.
At minsan, hindi mo na makita pag nandun ka.
Oo.
Take a look at the game from a different perspective. Ultra fast LTE for happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. Even after the timeout was called, puntos pa rin para dito sa Ateneo. At sabi na ni Coach Clint Malazzo, ang lalaki. Baka pwedeng i-drop dun sa bandang liko dahil hindi nila mabutasan yung mga blockers ng Lady Eagles. Almost an ace for Ateneo. Alyssa Valdez. Good read by Alyssa.
And now even the simplest errors, nakukommit nito.
Yung routine return na tinatawag, di ba?
San Sebastian.
Lapsing into unforced errors and parang shooting themselves in the foot right now. They lost their first game of this collegiate conference to the Benil Blazers. Looking to rebound after that sorry loss. But they're up against Alyssa Valdez. And of course, Joanna Maraginot and the rest of the Lady Eagles. But Labiano nails one versus Risa Sato. 9 for San Sebastian, 13 para dito sa Ateneo Villegas. Nasa harap na, kasama si Labiano. Buti nakatawid yun.
Malapit sa tape ng net.
Oo. And that pushes the Lady Stags closer to the Lady Eagles. And probably this is the best set for the Lady Stags all match long.
Let's see, si Labiano already showing some signs of life dito sa set na ito.
But once again, at brief sign of momentum dissipating because of that service error, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League is Mikasa. Alyssa Valdez, sharp serve. Villegas unmarked. Villegas does not score.
Blocker there, sayang.
Bukas na bukas. Tama yung binanggit mo kanina. Merong intimidation factor eh.
Iba Iba talaga eh. But if you know you're playing...
I'm sure this is not the way the Lady Stags practice and play. Alam niya ni Coach Clint Malazzo